Box number 9. 13 Days of Christmas, or Boxes of Christmas. This is a piece of history hobby. There will be no more retail, so you don't have to sit through that shit anymore. But here we go. 4 hits, 1 celebrity, 1 autograph, I believe, 2 regular jerseys. Probably like a full patch of some sort. First pack. A blue numbered to 299 of Jeff Baisley. I think I went to school with, or played basketball against his older brother. Reggie Jackson, sports history card, and that's it. Hey, there's a decoy that I might keep. Second pack. Roy Halladay, Tim Lincecum, piece of, and a number 2, 999 box score memories of Jeremy Hermida. Then there's some other just whatever. I didn't get it for. I got a nice colored card. This is a Ramos Ramirez number 2, 150. I assume teal parallel. Got my first hit. Hopefully it's a celebrity one. Kevin Youkilis, pulled an autograph of him, number 35, not too long. It is a shirt from Outlander. Worn by John Hurt. Speaking of John being hurt, his first few boxes haven't been gone too well. Tim Duncan sports history card. At least I got that celebrity bullshit out of the way. Now I can just concentrate on baseball. Derek Jeter. Manny Ramirez, a franchise history number to 999 of Maglio Ordonez. A sports history card of Jim Edmonds. And, hi, turkey. I'll set that right there. Michael Young, Brian Giles, Troy Tulowitzki, and my autograph is of, it's not numbered, Aaron Cunningham, the A's. I'm not too familiar with him, but it's a purple autograph. You know, because
we have a Bowman autograph of him.
We have a Bowman autograph of him. So, good for us.
Exactly.
A piece of history cut from the same cloth, Matt Holliday, Manny Ramirez. And a Gary Sheffield in the old Marlins uniform sports history card. Look at how skinny he is. Okay, Brian Roberts. And a Jose Reyes, number 299 parallel. And full pack, somewhere like 6 left. Hey, there we go. A Ken Griffey Jr. numbered insert. What is this? Timeless Memories. Ken Griffey Jr. is my favorite player. Here's Dolly the Clone Sheep. I'll put her next to the fucking turkey. Nothing says holiday like a clone sheep. And some other cards. Paul Crawford, Mark Teixeira. Cut from the same cloth, number 999 of Papelbon and K-Rod. Francisco Rodriguez, if you aren't familiar with the nicknames. Super. And cut from the same cloth, number 149 of Johan Santana and Pedro Martinez. And Mario Lemieux sports history card. I still got, what, 2 hits left? Joe Mauer. Another autograph of Fernando Perez. Was I supposed to get 2 autos? Maybe I beat the odds. Don't be pissed. But I'm down to 4 packs, so let's see. Victor Martinez, David Ortiz, a franchise history Brian Roberts card, number to 999. The Orioles. I got a hit here. Johan Santana, Scott Kazmir, Alex Gordon, Brandon Phillips. My piece of history is number to 199. Oh, sorry, franchise history of Russell Martin. And the 42nd President, Bill Clinton.
Oh my goodness.
I got 2 more packs. A Greg Olson, apparently a rookie, number to 299, blue parallel. And the last pack. Doesn't feel like there's a jersey in it, but I've been wrong before. And I'm not wrong this time. Tom Glavine, Ken Griffey Jr. base card. The number to 999, a Dan Ugla card. Just like the, what was it, Hamida I got last time. And a Major League Soccer formed sports history card. And that would be the last pack. My 4 hits are a John Hurt, who was in Outlander, if you haven't seen it. A Russell Martin jersey, numbered to 199. And a Fernando Perez of the Rays autograph. And a Aaron Cunningham of the Oakland Athletics autograph. That's Sports Card Failures.